Hey everyone, and welcome back to M.Z Car Club. Today, we're getting a first look at a true automotive masterpiece, the all-new 2025 Mercedes-Maybach. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's a rolling testament to the pinnacle of luxury, technology, and design. Exterior. The first thing that strikes you about the 2025 Maybach is its sheer presence. The design takes the iconic Mercedes-Benz silhouette and stretches it to majestic proportions. Every line, every curve, is meticulously crafted for both elegance and aerodynamics. The signature Maybach grille adds a touch of grandeur, while the bespoke Maybach wheels and gleaming chrome accents complete the picture of sophisticated luxury. Interior. But the true magic of the Maybach happens when you step inside. Prepare to be enveloped in a world of unparalleled luxury. The finest Napa leather caresses your every touch, while genuine wood accents and exquisite detailing create an ambience fit for royalty. This isn't just about aesthetics, though. The Maybach boasts cutting-edge technology seamlessly integrated into the design. Holographic displays respond to your touch, while a voice assistant anticipates your every need. The digital cockpit is a symphony of light and information, putting everything you need at your fingertips. The 2025 Maybach isn't just about looking good, it delivers a driving experience unlike any other. While specific details are still under wraps, rumors suggest a powerful engine option, possibly a twin-turbocharged V8, that promises exhilarating performance. But make no mistake, the focus here is on effortless cruising. The advanced air suspension system ensures a smooth and serene ride, absorbing every bump in the road. The beauty of the Maybach lies in its ability to be tailored to your desires. With a multitude of paint colors, exclusive upholstery options, and a seemingly endless list of personalization features, you can create a Maybach that reflects your unique style. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach is more than just a car, it's a statement piece. It's a testament to the relentless pursuit of automotive excellence. It's a luxurious sanctuary that whisks you away to a world of sophistication and refinement. If you're looking for the ultimate luxury driving experience, then the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach deserves a spot on your wish list. Let us know in the comments below what excites you most about this incredible car. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car content.